Welcome to the Pilgrim Library's tutorial on searching the Defiance College catalog. A library's catalog is the index to its collection, where you go to find out whether the library has the item you need. Start at the Pilgrim Library homepage, library.defiance.edu. This page defaults to jacket search. While our library's books and AV items are included in jacket search, so are tens of thousands of journal articles and other materials. If you click on the DC Catalog tab, that will limit your search to the library's collections of books and AV items only. The page assumes you will do a keyword search unless you click on the drop-down menu to change it. Let's do a keyword search on human trafficking. At the top of the catalog screen, it says OPAL. This is the private college library consortium Defiance shares a catalog with. Since I'm recording this tutorial while on a campus-owned computer, the system automatically limits me to Defiance holdings, as circled here. If you are searching the catalog from off-campus, your device may default to searching the holdings of all 23 OPAL members. You can limit the search to Defiance only by making sure you choose Defiance out of this box. Let's scroll down our list of human trafficking hits. We have retrieved a lot of ebooks on the topic. If you want to view one of the ebooks, click where it says here, View Online. View our separate tutorials on ebooks for more information. To limit the results to print books only, go back to the top and click the box that says Limit to Items Not Checked Out and click on Search again. That eliminated the ebooks, and what we have left are print books. On this first hit, Human Trafficking, Human Misery, we can see information about its availability. Here it tells us the book is in the main collection, not on reserve, for example. Here is the book's call number, the number it's shelved by. This section tells the status available, which means it should be on the shelf. If it was checked out, a due date would appear here. If you wanted to find and use this book, you would write the call number HQ 281.A76-2009 on a scrap of paper, or take a picture of the screen with your phone. Books with call numbers that start with A through F are on the upper main floor of the library, and F through Z are on the lower floor. If you have trouble finding it, ask for help at the main desk. You would check the book out on your Defiance College ID card at the desk. You get to use the book for 21 days and can renew up to 6 times. More information on borrowing policies is available through the library's homepage, library.defiance.edu. Let's try another example. We'll click on the New Search button. Let's say your psychology professor has told you that you need to include theories by Elizabeth Kubler-Ross in your research paper on hospice care. Since we know a specific author you have to find, it's more efficient to click on the Author tab. Then type Kubler-Ross and click on Search. This brings up 8 print books and an ebook by Ross that you could check out. We'll try one more example. Click on New Search again. This time, let's say your English professor has told you he will give you extra credit if you read a book on a list he recommends. You decide from the list that you want to read a copy of the graphic novel Watchmen. We know the specific title we need, so we'll click on the Title tab and type it in, and click on Search. Here's the information about Watchmen in our collection. There's both a book and a DVD. Another feature of the catalog you may find useful is this Limit Results button. You can limit the publication date to a range, or you might want to limit it by material type, book or audiovisual. Other features of the catalog page include a link to search for course reserves for a particular class, and a link that will take you to a list of available databases where you can search for journal articles. If the book you wanted is not available in Defiance's catalog, you can use this button to search for it in the OhioLink Consortium's catalog. View our separate tutorial on how to search OhioLink's catalog. Thank you for viewing our catalog tutorial. If you need further help, please contact a library staff member. We'll click on the tab for the library's main page, click on Go To, and then Staff Contact Information.